Hey roomies, Paula Sylvester here, aka Paula Patio, and welcome to Paula's Patio. I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. Today's recall are cough drops. Perfect timing, eh? A Chinese company is recalling cough drops that were sold across the United States, according to a notice published this past week on the Food and Drug Administration's FDA website. The Xianmen-based company Xiamen Kang Zhongyuan Biotechnology Co. Limited initiated a recall of more than a dozen products on March 20th. The FDA, on April 10th, classified the action as a Class 2 recall. Geeze Louise, what's the date today? A Class 2 recall is a situation that the FDA defines as one in which use of or exposure to a violative product may cause temporary or medically reversible adverse health consequences, or where the probability of serious adverse health consequences is remote, according to its website. On every recalled product in the April 10th classification, the FDA said that this recall is being initiated following FDA's recommendation based on certain observations noted during an August 15th, 2025 inspection of the manufacturing facility that may bear on product quality. But here's the strange thing. The FDA did not provide any further details about the August 2025 inspection in the notice. An import alert was issued on Xiamen Kang Zhongyuan Biotechnology Co. in March 2026. Here's the list of products and some distribution, which is also strange, so you're going to have to take a look-see. The expiration dates, UPCs, and lot numbers under recall are listed in the description below along with the link. Here we go. Kang Mill, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops cherry, 90 count bag, distributed by FSA Store Inc. Discount Drug Mart Food Market, cough drops, menthol cough suppressant anesthetic, honey lemon, 30 count bag, distributed by Drug Mart Food Fair. Discount Drug Mart Food Market, cough drops, menthol cough suppressant anesthetic, 30 count bag, distributed by Drug Mart Food Fair. Exchange Select, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, honey lemon flavor cough drops, 30 count bag. Exchange Select, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops, menthol flavor, 30 count bag. MGC Health, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops, sugar-free, honey lemon, 25 count bag, distributed by Medical Group Care LLC. MGC Health, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops, honey lemon, 30 count bag, distributed by Medical Group Care LLC. QC Quality Choice, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops, sugar-free, black cherry flavor, 25 count bag, distributed by CDMA Inc. QC Quality Choice, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops, cherry flavor, 30 count bag, distributed by CDMA Inc. QC Quality Choice, pectin oral demulcent, throat soothing drops, creamy strawberry flavor, 30 count bag, distributed by CDMA Inc. QC Quality Choice, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops, honey lemon flavor, 30 count bag, distributed by CDMA Inc. QC Quality Choice, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops, menthol flavor, 30 count bag, distributed by CDMA Inc. QC Quality Choice, menthol cough suppressant oral anesthetic, cough drops, vanilla honey flavor, 30 count bag, distributed by CDMA Inc. Well, that's about all for now. And in the meantime, keep Jesus in your heart. As a matter of fact, be super glued to Jesus because he's coming back real soon. And I don't want to see you left behind. Bye-bye.